Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Mathematics Past Question 19. If a asterisk b is equals to plus square root of a plus ab, evaluate 2 asterisks into bracket 12 asterisk 27. Now, given this, from the binary operation given to us, we can simply say 2 asterisks into bracket 12 asterisk 27. Now, for us to evaluate this, we have to deal with the bracket first. Now, the bracket is 2 asterisk 27. And that will give us square root of 12 multiplied by 27, which is equals to the square root of 324, which is equals to 18. Now we can now go back to the question and say 2 asterisks, the bracket now, which is 18, and that is equals to the square root of 2 multiplied by 18, which is equals to the square root of 36, and that is equals to 6. So the final answer to this question is actually 6. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.